Have you ever been left wondering, now what do I do? After a product has been delivered to the site? Do you hope the trades know how to install it? At ParksitePROs, we put support behind the products we deliver by employing a team of highly trained building solutions specialists who are dedicated to providing product and technical support on construction projects to architects, builders, and trades. We call this team our ParksitePROs. Take these two products for example. On the surface, it could be easy to mistake them for the same value. You might even begin to think product A is a better value because it is a few dollars less. But that would be overlooking something very important. Product B was distributed by Parksite. This means the product comes with a ParksitePRO at no extra cost. ParksitePROs have the knowledge to provide on-site technical support, train trades on installation, conduct observations, and provide customized design and special detail solutions for products we sell. Their sole focus is the success of your project. When you choose products from Parksite, you grow your team without adding to your payroll. Your ParksitePRO will become your strategy partner by attending meetings, keeping you up to date on building codes, even develop standard processes to ensure product installation goes properly for best performance and meeting warranty guidelines. If you're left saying, now what, after a product is delivered, it may be time to consider a partner who has support behind their products like Parksite. Our pros will make sure your project is done right the first time and every time after that.